In this video, I just want to tidy up a few common misconceptions people are having with web development, designing their own websites and setting up their own businesses online. So a couple of videos ago, I did a video on setting up your web environment on your laptop, the programs you need, and I touched on promoting yourself at the end of the video. And I saw loads of related videos with this stuff. I did a lot of research, and people are all saying similar things when they come to web design. The first thing is that they said it's really hard. It takes a lot of time to develop your websites, to learn the skills, a very steep learning curve, etc., etc. And to be honest, guys, this isn't true. To design your own websites, to make a website, all you need is HTML. That's all it is. HTML is just a bunch of tags. A tag, for example, is like this. You open the tag and you close the tag, and the tag has a name, in this case B, which means bold. You put your text in there like that, text, and that's it. That's all web HTML is, just a bunch of tags, and you put the tags together to make your own website, and it's as simple as that. It's not a steep learning curve. You'll find that out in a couple of videos when I begin to make my e-commerce scripts, if you want to follow along with that. So HTML is not hard. That's all you need to make a website, HTML. Alright, the second thing you need is CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets, and CSS is a really good way of making your website look pretty. You can separate all your HTML tags and all of your CSS code in two separate files. And to be honest, guys, to make a website look good, you can just use 10 lines of PHP code on a simple website, so that's not hard, is it? Again, I'll show you guys how to do this. It's not hard once you know how to do it. It's not a steep learning curve, and that's it. So if you wanna, let's dive in even further and make dynamic websites with databases and everything. Right, all you need is to know PHP and MySQL. That's all you need to know. PHP can be very complicated. It can take a long time to learn. But in our case, we're just going to concentrate on the very basic concepts of PHP to just communicate with the databases. And well, databases are very self-explanatory. It's just a way of storing data in tables, and that's all it is. So I don't know where people are getting this misconception of websites are very hard to learn. I know code can seem scary with all these languages and stuff, but it's once you crack down for a couple of hours and learn the basics, it's not hard at all. Okay. The second thing is about templates. And people are saying templates are good, but to be honest, guys, they're not good, they're bad. Because if you use someone's template, you're promoting the person who made the template and that business. So you don't want to do that. You want to promote yourself, and to promote yourself you need to use your own products. Okay, so stay away from templates. I know it might seem an easy solution, just download the template and put your own information in there, but it doesn't work like that. I mean, if you use templates, you're going to use someone else's work, and you don't want to do that. It's probably going to have a logo at the bottom to promote that person's business, and the chances are, guys, if you use that one template, the chances are a lot of other people are using the same template, so your website's not going to look unique. It's not going to have its own flair and its own graphics and stuff. So templates are pretty bad. And the last thing is about email autoresponders, and these are bad as well. I mean, I have to admit, I use email autoresponders because they're a good way of marketing your products, or they used to be. So it's kind of a normal thing to do if you're promoting your websites. Email autoresponders, which are basically sending your customers emails on a regular basis automatically. But email inboxes have got smart, guys. They've got very smart. They filter out the emails people don't want. They put them into spam, junk folders, and the chances are 99% of the emails that get sent out are not going to reach your customers. So I wouldn't recommend autoresponders anymore. I mean, if you want to optimize your websites to give that 1% more efficiency, then go for it. I mean, I do. You got to use all your options available, but instead of autoresponders, concentrate on the social aspect of things. Set up a Facebook page, a Twitter feed, things like that, social bookmarking on your site, and use them to promote your website and to connect with your audience. Don't use autoresponders. Don't concentrate on them. if you're setting up a new website, don't use them at all. Just go for the social networking side of things, guys. It will save you a lot of time. A lot of, you don't need to learn autoresponders and stuff. So just set up a Facebook page, link it to your site, get some code to put in your site for a Twitter feed, and that's it. That's all you need to do, and it's a lot more effective than autoresponders, guys. So that's all I want to talk about in this video. My next videos on web development are going to be the actual e-commerce scripts. I'm going to start doing that. So if you want to sell your own products online using your own code and your own web pages, not this template crap, follow along and learn the basics of these languages. Okay, so to sum up, guys, these are not hard. You can learn the basics very easily. Don't use templates; they're bad. They're bad in more ways than one. And email autoresponders are also bad. Instead, use social networks, because that's the future. Okay. So that's all I want to talk about in this video. Thanks a lot.